So many others who are like me, pretty birds, with our beautiful wings pinned back, restricting ourselves, songless, silent birds, all to blend in, to not ever have our songs misunderstood. But we aren't like the others. Birds are meant to be caged. We are fearless, mighty, and beautiful. We dream of the skyline. We live to feel the wind underneath our wings, never having any limits. We sing songs that no one can quite understand, and we soar. Caging ourselves for the pleasure of others is no life for us free ones. So let them stare at our beautiful wings. Let them envy how high we can fly. And when they ask us why we sing, tell them that's the job of the pretty ones. That's the job of the pretty birds. Please don't lie. Please don't lie. Pretty bird, I'm not hurting. You're so alive, so alive. Thank you guys.
In fourth grade, my Valentine told me after receiving my gift that he couldn't be seen with me in case all the others actually thought he liked me. In the third grade, I ate lunch alone all the time. In the second grade, some girls that said they thought that I was so cute punched me in the stomach so hard and so many times that my body crashed to the pavement. I laid on the ground, shame and disgust radiated off me for 15 minutes before anyone checked on me to see if I was okay. In the first grade, a white girl at snack time told me my hair looked like something her mom scrubs the dishes with. She'd never seen anything so beautiful. Away during that time. See, feeling alone isn't foreign to me. In the classroom, children spoke the harsh language of tear gas. I cried and wore bathroom stalls, and I can remember learning. My bullies were terrorists dressed in jeans and too tight mini skirts. The machete eyes of my peers would carve smiles out of my face like jack-o'-lanterns. They always needed a self-conscious, skinny, big-eared target to dart through. A pinata to hang in the nucleus of the playground while each kid took a swing. I learned to hate myself as such.
Take me down to the river. Take me down to the lake. Yes, we'll all go together. We're gonna do it for the good Lord's sake.
Has all the connections and pays for mommy's chest and plenty perfections. While my mother struggles day in and day out just to make sure that our house doesn't go into collection. While through it all, I just thank God for the strength from within to stand on these class divisions, for walking me up to the fight through these unfair decisions, for the serenity and the grace to black and full of pride and resolution to commit the detoxification that has swept this nation. That this beautiful brown skin is a sin and not one of God's beautiful creations.